it's Julie, and today we're going to be cleaning up my dining room. We did a lot of rearranging over the weekend, and everything's just a big mess. So I'm really hoping that I can get a lot of work done today. So I'm going to fuel up with some juice and coffee and get to working. So here's what I'm going to be working on for the next few days. So yesterday my husband and I worked on moving this pantry that was on the opposite wall over to this wall, and he did most of the work and attached it to the wall so it's secure and everything. And we also got these extra shelves at the top, and I'll probably put like some serveware or something in there. So yeah, that's done and it looks good. Over here is the IKEA Kallax. It's like a 2x4 bookcase that is going to go behind the couch. And we'll probably be putting that together later today. This is my kitty Tiger and all the crap that we're going to move that was here before. Hey, buddy. So here's where the behind the sofa table is right now, and it's not usually this bad because we just shoved a bunch of stuff under there, but yeah, it's terrible. So that's gonna have a white 2x4 Kallax, IKEA Kallax bookcase with like some baskets, and hopefully it'll be a little more organized. That console table is Tiger, come on, is from West Elm from like 15 years ago or something, and it's just getting kind of beat up. I don't really like it that much anymore. It's not really my style, so we're going to get rid of that. Okay, so over on this wall is my secretary, and we bought a small desk that's going to fit here, like a very small desk, and it will have my son's computer on it. But yeah, this is where the pantry used to be, and you can see there's a lot of, I need to do some repair on this wall because it was, attached there. So it's going to have a lot of big anchor holes and stuff like that. So I'll patch those up and get them looking nice, hopefully. So yeah, a small computer desk will go right there. And then hopefully like some artwork and stuff like that, something pretty above it. So the secretary is where the pantry is now. And I had this other, like a storage shelf next to it. Let's go over here and look. Oh my God, the mess. This used to be next to it. That's the Ivar, also from IKEA. I think that's what it's called. And yeah, there's a lot of storage inside, mostly like papers and stuff like that. I can't see it that well. But yeah, I'm going to lose this. I think we're going to try and put it in our closet and like have it hold folded up shirts and stuff like that. But we'll see. That's the plan anyway. But yeah, I'm really liking how the pantry is looking. Sorry, let me get back this way. Try not to step on my cat. Okay, so the pantry is looking pretty good, I think. And hopefully the rest of it will be looking good soon too, but I have my work cut out for me with all of this stuff to take care of. Okay, wish me luck. This little rolling cart was used to store my son's distance learning equipment and supplies last year, and now I'm just going to use it to organize as I go. daughter Corin, she wants to help, so. Or maybe not.
I wanna.
You wanna help? Okay, well, come on. My daughter came out during filming, so I put her to work. She just has a spray bottle of water, and the spray I'm using is natural and gentle, so she won't get any skin irritation. I think it's important to let children help in chores because it helps them feel like contributing members of the household, and it helps to build their self-confidence. I wish I could get her to pick up her toys with as much enthusiasm, but give her the spray bottle or the hand vac and she will go to town. Well, I've done about all I can right now, which was mostly just clearing out the old furniture and making space for assembling the new furniture and putting it in place. Oh, I did get the wall patch, so that was good right up there. Once it's dry, probably tomorrow or the next day, I'll find the paint and go over that so you can't see it. What else? I'm just gonna take a break from this for a bit. My daughter needs some attention and I need to do dishes. But I will be back tomorrow. Okay, bye.